The Logitech G Pro X60 is a compact, wireless gaming keyboard designed with input from professional esports athletes to deliver high performance in a minimalist form factor. Design and build quality. Constructed with a plastic bottom case and a visible metal top plate, the G Pro X60 exhibits good overall build quality, providing a sturdy feel with minimal flex. The PBT keycaps enhance durability and offer a premium typing experience. Switches and typing experience. The G Pro X60 is available with GX Red Linear or GX Brown tactile switches, catering to different user preferences. The GX Red Linear switches provide a smooth and quiet keystroke, while the GX Brown tactile switches offer a noticeable bump for tactile feedback. Performance and connectivity. Equipped with Logitech's lightspeed wireless technology, the G Pro X60 delivers outstanding latency performance, making it suitable for both casual and competitive gaming. The keyboard can connect wirelessly via its included USB receiver or through Bluetooth, providing flexibility across different devices. Battery life. The keyboard offers impressive battery life, ensuring extended periods of uninterrupted gaming sessions. Overall, the Logitech G Pro X60 is a well-engineered keyboard that offers excellent performance and customization options in a compact form factor. Its design and features make it particularly appealing to esports professionals and serious gamers who prioritize portability and responsiveness. Then,